Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is video number three of building the SCX24 Raffle. You guys want to get in on the raffle? There's a link below for my PayPal. We're going to do $20 a spot and go from there. Okay, you guys have in the first couple of videos see what I have put into it already. So let's get started. We're going to build a transmission and put the motor in. We got the skid plate here, the brass skid plate from RC Hop-Ups. You guys can go to rchopups.com.us. I always get that wrong. rchopups.us. And a nice skid plate. It's got a little bit of weight to it, not a ton. It's going to help a little bit. Go there and use Kurtz RCs for a code at the end and get a 10% off, guys. So there's some screws. I don't think, let's just leave that in the bag now. I'm gonna open everything up. That was part, this is the part number. I've had this for a while. I was gonna put it on my Jeep, but I decided to keep it and put it on this instead. So 0016, rchopups.us. This is a metal 55.2 Spur, part number 169. We're going to use this one. Here is the transmission case, 174. It's a nice little case here, aluminum case. RC Hop-Ups with every sticker. Every sticker with each one. So it's a nice aluminum case here. We'll have to find the bearings. Get the bearings somewhere. Okay. And the gears. This is the gears for the transmission. I've had these for a while too. I was going to put these instead in my Jeep instead, but I just kept the stock ones in there. 0008. I'll have to figure out how this goes together. Like I said, this is my first time building one of these guys, so get all sorts of RC Hop-Up stickers. And then I was watching a video, and I believe the flatter side goes on top, they said, so we'll have to remember to do that. You can see the axles. Here's the box. Put these back away. Not in our way. All right, so let's figure this out. Here's the motor, ESC combo in there. Sorry, I gotta have some coffee. Early in the morning. Thought I'd jump out here and do a little work on this bad boy. Well, the wife's still sleeping. So let's find the bearings. You guys see what I'm doing? No, of course not. Why would you see what I'm doing? Let's keep you zoomed in. Sorry. But put the bearings in. each side here. Okay. Let's find the small bearings. These two are them. Yep. Okay. Now, this is where I'm going to be lost at. Oops. I went here like this. No. Yeah, it's centered, so. That can't be right. Alright, so that can't be right either, so this must be this way. Is that right? And this goes here like so. That doesn't leave a whole lot of room right there, does it? All right. Okay, so I did have this backwards. You want both long sides coming out the same side. After putting the, I did it off camera, shut it off, and I put this on there. There was no way you could get the drive shaft. With the little side over here, there was no way to get the drive shaft on with the gear on, so yeah. But we need to open this up. And we are going to try putting on the bigger motor. It's a 2300 kV. So here's the motor mount that we're going to need for it. So and that is part 244. You see that? In case any of you guys want to do that, rchopups.com. It's a 3D printed motor mount. Okay, there you go. It's on there pretty solid. Pretty solid, guys. This side did break a little bit, but it seems to be holding on there pretty good. It's a little rough. Huh. Little rough 3D printed there, but not too bad. Yeah. Seems to be pretty sturdy and pretty strong on there, so that's the plus. Just going to be holding the motor up there. So I'm not real worried about it. And this goes, sorry, my eyesight is bad. So like they said, I forget who I watch, guys. He actually does a lot of videos. Let's see, 2FM RC. So he said see how the nipples right here is sticking out farther than this side. This side's flatter, so the flat side goes on top. There's a lot of guys out there I watch, so. He does a lot of videos. And then I'm going to steal one of these nuts over here. Things I'm gonna take your nut driver, and then that's a lock nut, so we are going to try and stop this somehow. Let's you ain't gonna get all crazy. I got it up just far enough to where it passed that. I tightened up. I just stuck my little thing through here. Okay. It ain't gonna come out of there. Everything turns smoothly. Yeah. And then this goes into here. All right. And this was a tight fit, so there you go, guys. Fit in there nicely and snug. I like how it went together. I didn't put any grease in there. I'm gonna pull it back apart right now and put some grease in there. But yeah, you just had to fit it in there right, and it took a little bit, so wasn't too bad. Like anything, when you're doing hop-ups and mods and all that stuff, you're gonna have to do a little bit of. All right, looks like it's sitting in there. You went in there nice. That piece is down. Let's see if making sure this still spins. Yep. Okay. Whew, man.